Tofu avocado salad is healthy and delicious. Diced tofu and avocado are tossed in a Japanese-style vinaigrette dressing with a hint of wasabi and sesame, and topped with nori seaweed. Ingredients and recipe are on JapaneseCooking101.com. Remove the moisture from the tofu. You can use any kind of tofu you like, but firm or extra firm tofu will work the best. Here I'm using an organic sprouted tofu and the texture is just right. And it's packed with protein. Cut the tofu into 1-inch cubes. Next, cut the avocado in half. Remove the seed and peel the skin. And dice the avocado about the same size as tofu, about 1-inch cube. And chop the green onion finely. And mix the salad dressing. Olive oil, soy sauce, rice vinegar, wasabi, honey, salt, and garlic powder. Whisk until mixed well. And add the tofu, avocado, and green onion, and gently mix to coat with the dressing. And add the toasted sesame seed. This tastes great by itself, but you can also put this over rice to make a rice ball. Top with the shredded nori seaweed. This is an easy, delicious, and nutritious dish that is perfect for lunch. Hope you try it.